So this is the Riverside group camp here at William O'Brien State Park, located at Marine on St. Croix, Minnesota, on St. Patrick's Day 2026. Top of the morning to you. Okay, so we're gonna definitely take a look at this Riverside group camp here. Gotta use some of my wushu skills for that. Scheduled groups only. Alright, we'll see about that. So we got over a foot, over 12 inches of snow where I reside a couple days ago. It's about approximately an hour or so from here, and so far it looks like they didn't get hit as hard here so far, which makes me feel a little better. Might be able to see some hints of fire pits, get a little bit better idea what the campsites look like. Either way, you get to take a look at the area, see the relative proximity with sites and other sites. I noticed they call this the Riverside group camp, but it's next to the Riverway campground. So I might conflate the two terms, and I'm sure a lot of people do that. So they definitely have enough vault toilets. As far as group camps go at this state park, I would assume that this is the best one. I'm cognizant of my breathing, so I'll try to keep it at a minimal. Now it is winter, so everything's kind of a skeletal structure. However, I'm already kind of liking the layout. And this is the St. Croix River. It's on its way to merge with the Mississippi River, maybe 40 miles or so. So we can't look inside these vault toilets, as that crafty ranger was sharp enough to know to keep these locked. However, whoops. There we go. That's more relaxing. So I'm gonna do some end user testing. So far, so good. Okay, so that works as expected. And that should, based on this testing experience, this should provide a nice coffee house fragrance for them in the 2026 season. So you're welcome. This is something I've never seen before. Please shut door behind you. Thank you. They're yelling at you too. So I guess there's like a plethora of boomers that just keep this open nonchalantly as they probably take a number 2. So that's hilarious. Figure that's common sense. So you can lock it from the outside, but in a group situation, you probably got 1 or 2 people to help you. Something funny happens. All right, so let's see. We're just going to continue on the road here. This might connect up. It looks like it does. A lot of shrub in here. So this is the parking area over here. Get an idea of the depth of snow here. Yeah, so this is the parking area. Probably 12 vehicles for sure. You know, sedans. Maybe 15 sedans. Not too bad. The Riverway campground is just yonder. I'm not sure how far, but it looks like there's a nice distance here. Use the Avenza Maps app. Oh yeah. Yeah, there's some distance. So that is awesome. It's always good to have distance. And I would emphasize that the Riverway campground, this year in particular, is going to be pretty popular. Just a hunch, given we're through the construction phase and people have been waiting almost 2 years. It might have been open last year. However, they had some follow-up construction, so that was pretty lame. After 2 years, they still had more they had to drag their feet on. But it's good to not be rushed, you know, especially when you're getting paid by the hour probably. So this is this is one of the most awesome group camps I've ever seen. So this is in the top 5 list. I can just tell you that right now. There is enough cover of trees here along the way where I wouldn't say it's too open, but it's still open enough where if you're the person that likes the open style campsite, this will meet your criteria as well. Oh. Wow, right along the St. Croix River. Actually, I did another scout after Mille Lacs Cathedral. I forgot about that already, of Afton State Park. I forgot I did that. So Group Camp 2 at Afton State Park. I think that made my top 5 list of group camps, but this one beat it. Group Camp 2 at Afton State Park just might be the best campsite in that whole state park, except for hike-in site 1. That is an awesome site, but you can't drive to it. So here's a trail that'll take you to the Riverway campground over there. There's the awesome St. Croix River. Wow, look at that. That is cool, man. It's gonna get a little. We're never really rushed for time. I'm gonna get better quality on that. St. Croix River. Oh yeah, it's on the way to Afton State Park as well. And we do have cell service down here as well. That is really cool. Kind of living in the moment here. Wow. So this would be a good night for a group camp. Or a camp here, anyways. Looks like you got some... You want to be careful down here though. Well, we got a little bit of access here to the river. But I would advise you don't even try that. Oh, I did point out the trails right here, so that's going to be a downside. So this might actually be removed from my top 5 list of group campsites because of this trail here, which will probably be heavily trafficked. And it's right between the site and the site. So that's really lame. That's unfortunate. That's the turd in the punch bowl for this site. And based on what I'm seeing here, I'm confident that this scout will have reasonable efficacy over at the Riverway campground as well. Whew. They don't have a big fire pit here that I can see. Sometimes they're really low on the ground. All right, not bad at all. So this is a phenomenal group camp, in my opinion. It's just that the annoyance of the trail. I've seen that every now and then where there's a heavily trafficked trail between where the campsite is and where the view would be. Oh, blank slate, a lot of potential here. All right, very good, very good, very good, sir. So this is the Riverside group camp here at William O'Brien State Park, located at Marine on St. Croix, Minnesota, on St. Patrick's Day, 2026. Top of the morning to you. This might get a little mosquito-y towards the warmer months. But I think along the river, the mosquitoes would probably dwindle off. Alright, so I'm feeling good. We gotta take a look at this pretty awesome group camp. And there are some group camps, even though I'm a solo camper, that I might do one day, even by myself. Yes, I know. So this one made that list. Usually it's a backup plan or something. Costs a little more. Not bad. Not bad at all.